Hello, my friends on the internet. It's your friend Jack, and today we're going to be talking about how I almost actually gave up on my app, my dreams, but I'm glad I didn't. This is kind of the second time this week I've almost given up, and both times when I didn't, it paid off quite a bit. So let's go over the story. I posted this on Reddit. It got quite a bit of traction, more than I would have thought. I actually posted this twice. I posted an update. The other one got about the same amount of traction. A lot of people saw it. A lot of people checked out my app, which is Curiosity Quench. This is what we came to. This is what I almost gave up on, but I'm glad I didn't. So I'm going to tell you how this works, how it happened, and how 4 months ago I was having the biggest headaches I've ever had in my life. I set out to make an app to destroy people's scrolling addictions, but I was lost myself. I didn't know how to build this thing. And yeah, as I said, I was getting major headaches just trying to think about how to do it, how to learn how to code. And after the first few weeks, all I really had was a database that didn't work and a landing page with a few simple words on it, which was actually a landing page that I bought, a template I bought. I actually still use that template. It's a boilerplate called ShipFast. I'll leave a link down in the description. But the point is that I almost gave up and I didn't. That was 4 months ago. And now I'm going to give you the quick recap of basically what I did and how I got to where I am now. Because it was quite the long journey and it was quite easy to give up at any point, but I didn't. Here's how it went. So I gave up on coding the app myself to start because it was too much of a headache. I used a no-code tool. I built the first version. I felt actually really confident about myself after doing this, and I logged my progress every day to destroy TikTok on TikTok. Ironically, this worked pretty well because we got our first 300 users to the first version. It was awesome, and at the same time, I got the first 5 out of 5 star review. That's what they literally said because my app got someone to go kayaking and it took their scrolling addiction down from less than 1 hour a day or to less than 1 hour a day, which was a pretty big tipping point in my self belief hearing that my application actually helped someone. Also, update that person has since told me that they have been quenching still and they've been doing a lot of cool stuff because of my app, which is awesome. So I closed my first version of the app at this point because I wanted to actually code it myself. I was limited by what was happening before, and I actually felt confident that I could do it this time. It took a few weeks and I had a lot of strain. I read coding documentation, but I coded it myself. I made an app better, I made it faster, and I made it more capable using my own code. This was a lot harder than I thought, but it was a big milestone and another tipping point in my self belief to just know that I could do these things. And after that, I did what anyone would do, and I added some fancy landing page animations. Yeah, big milestone. Also added confetti. That was huge. Now there's 500 people on the waitlist. I've been still been posting these TikToks every single day, and I launched the new version to the public. One of them, one of my TikToks, hit like 150,000 views, and within the first 2 weeks, which was about a week ago now, we see 1,500 users are signed up to the app, which is insane. I realized recently that I'm losing about $1 a day running this app, maybe more now because I had to upgrade my database because we have so many users. But I realized it would also be nice to make money. So really, it's good that we got to where we are. I want to make that more simple, but that's the short and sweet journey of how we got to an app that actually works. Now I'm going to show you it real quick, just to give you the laydown on how we got here, where I did that, just to show you where we got to as I'm working on it daily. But yeah, the app's called Curiosity Quench. If you're curious, it is about getting off the scroll and on a roll. And it's been a long time coming to make this app. It's been a lot of work, but as you can see here, when I go into the app, we have an application that works. I can generate myself actionable plans based on my curiosities and custom curiosities, and this has helped people. I'm going to make this way better. But the idea is that you have something you're curious about, you want to take action instead of scrolling, and you can be guided step by step through that with this app. I'm really glad we got here because I have a lot more to add, I have a lot more things to do, and I just wanted to share that with anyone who thinks they want to give up, that you can actually not give up if you want to, and keep going. So yeah, that's my raw documentation for today. Hope it helps someone. If it does, that's incredible. If it doesn't, well, selfishly, it kind of helped me. Anyways, see you guys in the next one. Comment anything down below that you want to see a video on or questions. And also, subscribe to this channel. Go check out my book if you're interested. You were built to create cool shit, because that's what this channel is mainly about, creating cool shit. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.